What's going on, guys? It's Peyton with the Right Bike, Southern Devil Harley-Davidson, and today what I wanted to display for you guys was something that I had to put a freaking fuse in just so I could make a video on it. The Road Glide 3 FLTRT. These things do not last. Whiskey Firestorm, one of the factory custom paints from Harley-Davidson this year. Beautiful metallic flake. I wanted to do this one in the sunlight really to try to showcase it. It's impossible to see it on a video, but if you're looking for Harley's cream of the crop trike, if you're wondering why everyone is going to a road glide and you're a trike rider and you just need that feeling, come test ride this bike with me. I promise you it's not going to be here long, so as soon as you get freed up, 678-748-6011, or you can call our store line, 678-721-0203. Again, Cartersville, Georgia, Southern Devil Harley-Davidson. For more questions, give me a call. Thank you.